Good day to all, mga kuya, ate, bunso, at friends of Eagle. I am Eagle Armando E. Miranda, the Regional Governor of Central Luzon Region 31. At the same time, the RGL Executive Vice Chairman. I would like to greet a second year charter anniversary to Japan Eagles Club, headed by Kuya Pres Val Cabigaw, and Japan Lady Eagles Club, headed by Ate Pres Kati Takeuchi, and to all club officers and members under the wings of NCR 44 sa ating pong Makabayan Region sa pamumuno ng ating napakasipag at napakabait na Regional Governor Kuya Jovinal Asis. Sa araw na ito, ako po taus-pusong bumabati sa inyo ng inyong ikalawang taong anibersaryo. Mabuhay ang Agila.
Happy second chartered anniversary to the Japan Eagles Club of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles. Aboy ng Agila!